Hello, this is Blakely Pickett talking about her presentation on the latest Project Professions app. Mine is on babysitting, and I decided to choose this topic because I find that there's many people who want babysitters, but they're scared to have somebody who they don't know babysit their children. So I came up with the idea to have a nanny cam involved, and so here is my brainstorming, and I wanted there to be an option for the parent to watch their kids while they were away if they wanted to check in, and also be able to easily talk to their sitter. So here I have some sketches of that on the mobile version of the app, and the babysitter would use the desktop version to become a sitter for the parent to find. So I went through many steps. Here's my persona. I started, and that persona was a mother, and I also did one of a babysitter. Babysitter's looking for a job, mother's looking for a babysitter, but she's very lenient because her child has been mistreated before, so yada yada yada. Okay, so here's some more sketching about how I was going to accomplish these things, and then we get into the wireframes, and I started out with a lot of color, which wasn't working, so I scratched all of that. But here you can see the mobile version, which is for the mother, and this is the wireframe. And let's get into the final designs here so that I can explain it a little bit better. Okay. So here's the final designs. The babysitter would the mother would log in to the app. She would get these 4 options, and the first one is watch my kids, and then this screen would pop up. She can press play and see her kids playing. And the next one is let's talk, and you can also access these on the bottom, which I designed that way so that you don't have to constantly be going back to the home screen to find what you need to. And then you can also talk to the babysitter. So here's that option right here. Then you pay the babysitter as well on the app, which is very convenient for both the babysitter and the mother, so they don't have to find cash when they get home or write a check. It's just all right there, and then they can rate their sitter as well for the other mothers who are looking for sitters and leave a review about what they thought. Okay, there's the mobile. The desktop is for the sitter, so they come on and they see this screen and they click on I'm a babysitter looking for a job. And then they apply, and if they pass their background test, then they get accepted into the program. It's that simple. And then they have to fill out this questionnaire, which will show up for the mothers, and then they can see what it looks like when it comes up, and that's this screen right here. I highlighted the person, and this is this is exactly how the mothers would see it as well. And so if they click on one, it would be highlighted, and then they can enlarge it and read more about the person. And if they like it, they can hire them. If not, you can click anywhere and it would click out. And then this is for the sitter. They can see their schedule for this week and the next week, and then they can click to enlarge and decide if they want to schedule, if they would rather deny the offer. So there we have it. That's my app. I believe I designed it cleanly, and has a nice subtle color scheme. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.